We have a blind puppy. See this little guy right here? Not him. Him. That one. He's blind. And he's the funniest little dog you've ever known. Come here, Blindy. Let's show everybody your eyes. Ugh. See, he was born without that eye, and this eye is just a wide, cloudy mess. Woo! He can't see a thing. But he's a survivor, that's for sure. So he feels around, trying to find where the walls are. He thinks there's a puppy in front of him and he's trying to play with him, but there's nothing in front of him. There's nobody there, bro.